Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first Linguish Academy Awards. Welcome. Round of applause. We're so very happy to be here. So, what this is a ceremony for your entire class. So we're thinking if you have 10, 20, 30 students, it's a really fun thing to do. So, we'll split the kids into different groups, okay? Let's say Manon is a group of 5, 6 students, Claire same thing, and Taz also, and they will exchange ideas together. So, we're looking for the best actress in the class, okay? The best actress. So, in your groups, think. So, imagine they are in groups and they are thinking. They can't vote for someone in their group, okay? So you have to vote for someone else. You think, in your group you exchange. Oh, okay, wait, I think, no, Claire, no, Taz, blah, blah. Okay. And, so now, my 3 groups, I have 3 nominations. And the jury will decide in the end who is the best actress. So, Manon, in your group, you have to say, we think, we think, blah, blah, blah,
blah, blah, blah,
is the best actress.
Is the best actress.
We think Alexia is the best actress.
Alexia, okay, one of our teachers. Okay, cool.
We think that Louise is the best actress.
Louise, okay.
We think Olivia is the best actress.
And the jury can be you, the teacher, and 2 other students, for example. They go and talk, Olivia, we got Olivia, we've got Lisa. Okay, well, let's give it to Olivia. She's really good at acting. And, well, the nominees for the Academy Awards for the Best Actress are, drumroll, Alexia, Louise, and Olivia. And the winner for the Linguish Academy Award for Best Actress is, drumroll, is, open the envelope and, Olivia! Olivia is the best actress! Congratulations, Olivia. So, Olivia, please come on stage. Imagine the kid named Olivia comes on stage, and another part of this is if you want to, you can write, you can have the students prepare a speech before. Or you have a pre-made speech on the board. I thank my family, my brother, my sister, my friends, everyone, blah, blah. It can be really fun. So, categories, I suggest. Best actor, so male actor, best actress, female actress. The nicest student also in the class.
That's me.
Well, we're gonna vote on that. See, we're gonna vote. The funniest student, okay. The best haircut, for example. The best English class movie. Because in our Linguish project, first week of this Hollywood project, the kids will do a movie. So maybe there'll be 2 or 3 movies in the class. So the kids will vote for the best English class movie, okay? So, and you can add as many categories as you want and have a lot of fun with this lesson. Bye everyone, bye!